Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on OPPO A57s. And to do this we'll need to start our Google Play Store. Here try to find an app called Notify Buddy. Select that one and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch it. Here move to the next step and grant 3 permissions to the app. First one is phone permission, overlay permission, it needs to be set as always, and notification permission, which we need to set as allowed. Now go back. And last is battery optimization, which is optional to disable, and I wouldn't do it unless the app doesn't work properly. Now we can proceed to the next step and finally start using this app. So you can see 4 tabs down here. First one is the user, and here you can allow any apps for a custom LED lamp notifications, and let's go with Notify Buddy and a rare app. We can also go for a system and here find all system apps. In active you can see all apps that you've just activated, and in the settings you can change anything about your LED lamp, like its size, shape, placement on the screen or time between blinking. Now let's click on the test button, and right here we should be able to see our LED lamp. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.